Well, Shopify partners with yet another company. This time, it's a unicorn. Now, Shopify is investing in Faire, an online marketplace for small businesses to purchase from independent brands around the world. The e-commerce site is valued at $12.4 billion. To tell us more about the partnership and what this means for e-commerce, Faire CEO and co-founder Max Rose joining us now. Great to have you on the show, Max. Congratulations on this partnership. So talk about what Faire then will do for some of these people who are, obviously coming from Shopify, trying to understand how this benefits them as an independent or small business.
Yeah, thanks so much for having me. We are incredibly excited about this partnership. I think for us, there's a few components of the partnership that we're really excited about in terms of what it means for our merchants and for Shopify's merchants. I think first of all, it's just an incredible endorsement from one of the leaders in the commerce space. Shopify is a company that we've always looked up to, and them viewing us as the leader in the wholesale space and recommending us to their merchants is really a testament to the fact that what we've built is something really enduring and is something that a lot of merchants are getting a ton of value from. I think the second thing that we're really excited about is we're going to be building a much deeper partnership with Shopify. We already have a bunch of integrations on both sides of our marketplace. We serve both retailers and brands. Retailers come to buy products from brands on Faire from a wholesale perspective. And we already have integrations for both of them. We're going to be deepening those integrations and making life a lot easier for our retailers and brands as a result of this. And then the third thing that we're excited about is Shopify has millions of merchants all around the world. They have retailers that use their point of sale system. They have brands that obviously use their website for D2C. And this is going to be an opportunity for the brands to learn about Faire and for the retailers to learn about Faire. And for, we have hundreds of thousands of retailers and brands today. We'd love to get to a point where our community is, the same size as Shopify.
Max, given the scale of Faire, you've got a pretty good pulse on where a lot of these independent business owners stand. At a time where we have been hearing that because of higher costs, consumers are increasingly pulling back on discretionary spending. What's been the conversation you've been having with a lot of these independent retailers, concerns they have with this broader macro environment?
Yeah, I think that inflation over the course of the last couple of years has definitely been a challenge for all small businesses. I think the benefit that smaller retailers have over some of the big box stores is they're just a lot more nimble. They're able to buy products 30, 60 days before they actually need to sell them, versus when you're placing huge orders as a larger store, you have to buy 9, 12 months in advance. And the flexibility, the nimbleness of these retailers and their ability to use Faire to find products, to filter by price point, has really enabled them to meet the needs of consumers. They've been able to trade down and figure out what it is that consumers want in a world where inflation has increased. And Faire, I think, has played a big part in that.